This conference will now be recorded.
If anybody has any questions, doubts from the previous class, you can utilize it for the next 1 or 2 minutes. Let me log in, right? rupmrupam@of115.com. Password CRM1234#. Anybody has any questions on the page layout? How to create fields, how to create an app, how to create a tab? Anyone? If you have any questions. No? Okay, perfect. 7:30 a.m. Let's go ahead and start. Right? Last class, we were talking about how to display field, right, on a page. We have used the layout, right? We have seen that every profile or each profile as of now can be assigned with one page layout. I click on App Manager. I click on my Airline Management 2.0 solution, right? I click on the Passenger tab, which by default comes. I click on New. You see that the system loads the design that we created. General information, passenger contact details, payment details, travel details, right? Properly arranged. Now, like this, you can start creating n number of designs. Design 1, design 2, design 3. In second design, if you remember, I don't have this much long field. I just have very short field. Now, how can we load two designs for a single profile? That means I want to load, whenever I create a new, I should be able to see both the designs, design 1, design 2, design 3. How to do that? Let's do it. To do that, we need to know the next concept called as record type. Write down record type, record type. Start taking the notes. Record type. Pick list value. Record type is a collection of pick list value. Record type is a collection of pick list value. Record type is a collection of pick list value to select multiple page layout. Collection of pick list value to select multiple page layout for a single profile. Pick list value to select multiple page layout for a single profile is called record type. Is called record type. As usual, I go to my object manager, right? I look for the object that I created called as passenger. Here we go. I open the passenger object. Once the passenger object is open, I go to the record type. Towards the bottom, you will be able to see record type. I click on new record type. Let it be master. The first one will be master. I say, right, normal, NORMAL, normal passenger. I'll say use this form to register normal passenger. Active, yes. Available for which profile? All the profile. Let it be. Click next. Whenever somebody selects this option, which design you want to load. I want to load design 1. Click save. Don't click save and new. Create, click save. Now, once again, I'm showing you. Go to the record type, click on new, give a name. Let it be master. VIP passenger. Use this form to register passengers like celebrities, politicians, national awardees, right? Click on active. Check available for all profile. Scroll down, click next, right? Whenever somebody click on it, load design 2. System will load the design 2. Click save. Don't click on save and new, click save. Third record type. I'm creating a third option. So normal passenger, VIP passenger, new. I will create walk-in passenger. It's not compulsory that if you have a 3, the number of designs you have, that many number of record type has to be created. It's not compulsory, right? Because I have 3 design, I'm creating 3, but doesn't mean that if you have a 3, you can create 2 also. Let's not create this. I come and click on cancel. I have 3 page layout, 2 record type. Now you come to the end user screen, press enter and see the difference what happens now. I click on right. I'm still killing the time for 2 or 3 minutes here so that this loads properly. Perfect. Let's see whether it got deployed or not. I click on new. Immediately system will give me 2 choices. Normal passenger, VIP passenger. I say normal. I click next. System loads general info, passenger contact details, payment details, travel details. I cancel. I click on cancel. New. I select VIP passenger. Click next. Immediately the smaller form loads. All details. For a VIP passenger, we definitely don't want to capture, right, long fields or long details because they're VIP. We want to have a short form. Just the name, phone number, which class they want to travel, right? And what is and a comment. And click save. See, one profile can now access two different. One profile can now access 2 or more different page layout. Let me add the third one. It's not compulsory that you have to add all the three layout should have a record type. No. For example, this passenger layout, which is a long, lengthy default page layout, doesn't have any choice. It's not compulsory. I can create one more page layout. Design 3, design 4, design 5, design 6, right? And obviously, all of this doesn't need that if there are 100 designs, I need to have 100 page layout. No, not required, right? It is completely at you, at your project, that how many page layout you want, right? All of them are done through record type. Now I go to the record type. I click on new record type. I write as usual. I will say walk-in passenger. Use this form to register all walk-in or walk-in or last minute airport registration, airport registration passenger, airport register passenger. Whoever directly walk into the airport and book the tickets. Walk in, active, available for all the profiles. Click next. Right? What page to load? Load the third page called as passenger layout. Click save. A third record type has been created. Next time when I refresh this, I need to get 3 choices on the page. 3 choices on the page. See, same table. I can have, right, when I click on it, oh, still not have, it has not yet come here, right? Same table. I have a different designs, and all the 3 designs can be shown here. Now you see the third design also came in. Walk in. I click on walk in. Sit back and relax. I know that you have a lot of doubts. A couple of you might be thinking, Rupam, how can I control this? We'll come to the control part later, right? So that this is the form which was the default form, where the first name here on the top and the last name somewhere here in the bottom. Here's the last name. First name somewhere in the top, last name somewhere in the bottom. This was the default one which got created as we were creating the fields. And this is a single long top to bottom layout. See, 3 different layout got loaded. Now let's talk about controlling. Rupam, how to control this? There are multiple ways to control it. Multiple ways. Number 1, I want that whichever option you select, system should load design to. Whether you select normal passenger, system should show not this form. It should show that short form, which is for the VIP, which is actually loaded when you click on VIP. This is the short one, all details. Whichever choice you choose, system should load only that. First way of controlling it. Yes. You can go to the record type, click on page layout assignment. Or you can go to the page layout, click on page layout assignment. Click on edit. Which profile you want this? These are all profile dependent, right? For example, let's say that system administrator. You click on normal passenger, load design to. You click on VIP, load design to. You click on walk-in, load design to. Right? Everywhere, system will load design to. See, I'm changing design to everywhere. So for system administrator, whatever you click, system will load only design to. Save. Next time when you come, you refresh it, you would not be able to see the arranged form or the lengthier form. You would be able to see the shorter form, the smaller form, the VIP form, all details form. Whichever choice you click, click new. Whether I click normal passenger, it will load all. Wait, it has not yet got deployed. It takes little time. Refresh, 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 new, normal form. Still not. Let's see what's happening in the neighborhood. Let's go to the marketing module. Let's say hi and hello to the marketing module. Let's go to the campaign. Right, let's open a campaign called TV at Sony TV. We are just wasting the time. We're just killing the time. That's it, nothing else. We go to the lead. We go to the contact. Now I click on App Manager. I click on Airline Management 2.0. Right, I click on Passenger. I click on New. I say Normal Passenger. I click Next. Still didn't got deployed. Let us see, right, what we did. For system administrator, system should load design to everywhere. Perfect. I'm waiting for that to get deployed. It takes little time, right? Once again, let me click refresh. As I told you, right, it takes from 50 seconds to 50 minutes, right? Let's hope that it doesn't take 50 minutes. Click new. Normal passenger, click next. Still it's loading the long, our arranged form, our section-based form, general information, passenger. Actually now, as soon as I click on new, right, system should go ahead and let me close this. Right click on the home tab, click on new tab. Click on app launcher, airline management. I click on new, next. Still loading the old one. Don't worry, it'll change. Meantime, this happens. Let's not waste the time. We see that we have just seen that it's taking time. So let it take time. We will come back to it again. Remember that next time when I come back, maybe after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whenever I click on any one of the choice, normal passenger, VIP, walk-in, system will load VIP only. The all details page, it'll load. Whichever choice you click. First way of controlling it. Then we will see the second way. Right. Next, let's go ahead and talk about field dependency. Write down field dependency. Next heading. Let's not waste the time. Let's keep on moving till the time it comes and get deployed on the screen. Put a heading called as field dependency. Field dependency. Field dependency. Right. Field dependency. What is a field dependency? Right? Controlling of a field by another field. Controlling of a field by another field is called field dependency. Controlling of a field by another field is called field dependency. Is called field dependency. Is called field dependency. Next line. The master field bracket the controlling field. Master field bracket the controlling field should be number 1, checkbox or a single list. The master field or the controlling field must be a checkbox or a single list, whereas the dependent or the child, field can be single pick list or multi-pick list. Can be single pick list, can be multi-pick list. Can be single pick list, can be multi-pick list. So the master field, also the controlling field, should be checkbox or a single list, whereas the dependent or the child, right, field can be single or multi-pick list. You cannot have a text controlling another text. You cannot have a number controlling a text field. No. Here, a checkbox can control a list or a multi-list, or a single list can control single list or a multi-list. Remember this very well. Rupam, what does that mean? Let me refresh once. Let me refresh twice. I click on new. I click on next. Right? Let's scroll down. Whenever a registration fee is paid, if it's not paid, I want here only economy. Only business and exec business will be seen only when you check this registration fee. If you pay registration fee, then only you'll get all the three choices. Otherwise, you'll get only one choice. Next, when you select economy, you can take only window and meal. Remaining choices will not be seen to you. Checkbox will be controlling single pick list. Single pick list will be controlling multi-pick list. Total 3 dependency I will create. Checkbox will be the master and the child will be class. Again, child will be the master and the facilities will become the child. This is how we will do. With a checkbox, can I control this field? No. With a number, suppose I enter 1000 here, 1000, then only economy has to be, business and exec business has to be seen. Can I control? No, we need programming. If registration fee is more than 5000, then only I want it to be business and exec business. Can I do that? Through admin, no. Through admin, checkbox can control list or multi-list, or a single list can control single list or multi-list. No text boxes or other data type can control. Field dependency is only available limited to this. Remaining all you have to do programming. Now I go ahead. Where to do that? I click on fields and relationship. I click on field dependency. I click on field dependency. I click on new field dependency. Controlling field, I will say checkbox. Dependent field, I will say class. The master field or the controlling field is a checkbox. The dependent field is a class, right? I click continue. Immediately, system will say checked, unchecked. Whenever it's unchecked, I click on economy, I say include. It became bold. Whenever it's checked, I hit the first choice, press the control key on the keyboard, and I select all the three, and then I say include. Whenever it's checked, you get all the three options. Whenever it's unchecked, you will get only one option called economy. You can click on preview. I click on save. One field dependency has been created. Once again, I click on field dependency. I click on new. I click on new. This time I will say class. Class to facilities. Class to facilities. I continue. Class to facilities. Now I get economy. There are any other classes? Next? No, next. Economy. Economy should offer only meals and window seat. Include. You will not get any other choices. Business should offer priority check-in till here. Include. Exit business should have all. Zero cancellation, open ticket, everything. See, open ticket is not available for business people. Zero cancellation, not available for business, not available for economy. Early departure, not available for business. Change destination, not available for business. Last minute, you can come and you can change the destination. Ticket says Delhi, Hyderabad, Delhi. You can say that, no, I want to fly to Jaipur now. No problem, sir. We will give you. And that facility is available only in exit business. Whichever is in bold, they got included. I click on save. I still need to wait for the deployment to happen. Press enter. Click refresh. Field dependency. Click on new. Select normal passenger, click next. See, now it loaded all details. The bad luck is that here we don't have the checkbox. In this form, the checkbox is not available. As the checkbox is not available, we cannot go ahead and control this now. By the way, whichever form you click, it will load the VIP form only. See all details. I go ahead and click the last one, walk-in passenger, click next. Then also system is loading the all details. Whichever choice you click, system is loading the same. I was expecting that. I go to the page layout. System is loading my design 2. I go to the design 2. I drag and drop that checkbox there. Registration fee paid, because if it's not there, then I can't control it. Right? I click on save. As usual, again, it will take time. It will not come in a rocket science speed. Right? So we have to wait to check the dependency pick list. Meantime, okay, let's see. It can come also many times. No, it has not yet come. See, these two fields are grayed out because
Sir, I have a
registration.
question.
Yes, tell me.
The registration field is a mandatory
No,
field, right? So
no, who said
there is a
registration fees are registration fee
the
was
mandatory field. See,
yes.
it's
Okay,
so
correct.
if you don't fill up that, then
It
it
say
won't allow you to.
it will allow because by default the value is 300. It's already pre-filled. If you leave it
Okay,
blank, then it will not allow. It will give an error.
okay.
But by default, as the page load, you have
Mm-hmm.
300 pre-filled value available.
Okay,
So that's the reason when it doesn't say complete the field because the field is already completed. There's a
okay,
value there.
okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Welcome. So now the second way of controlling it. When you click new, you see all the three choices. No, Rupam, for certain profile, I want to show only two choices, or I want to show only one choice, or I don't want to show any choice. You click new, directly it should load the, the form, whichever form I want. Rupam, can you give me one more real-time example where this record type is used? I'm still a little bit of confused, right? I understood that, but still, if you give me one more example, it'll be more nice for us to understand. Definitely, why not? Let's take an example of a different project called ICICI Bank Loan Department. How many types of loans are there? Vehicle loan, education loan, personal loan, gold loan, housing loan, mortgage loan, right? XYZ loan, education loan. So many loans are there. Will you create a new tab for each loan? No, obviously not. In such case, we use record type. There'll be only one tab called as loan. The way you see passenger, here there'll be only one tab called as loan. Whenever somebody clicks on new button, right, immediately system will show you the list of all the loans available. Housing loan, vehicle loan, personal loan, gold loan. Like this, it will show you the record types. You click on personal loan, immediately personal loan form loads. You click on vehicle loan, immediately a form loads with chassis number, type of vehicle, engine number, vehicle registration number, model, make. A field will load. Whenever you click on housing loan, carpet area, right, inbuilt area, facing, type apartment, plot, or individual house, or a bungalow. As soon as you click on gold loan, immediately certain sections will be same, certain sections will load purity, hallmark, yes or no, last, weight, right? Certain things. See the use of record type. One form will have a different requirement. I don't need a purity, hallmark, yes or no in my vehicle loan. In a vehicle loan, I don't need a carpet area, right? I don't need, right, built area. I don't need those, right? So each form will have separate fields. Each form will have separate fields. Whenever a vehicle loan person comes, right now everybody would be able to see all the list of 10 loans. No, Rupam, we don't want a vehicle personal loan agent or a car loan executive should be able to see or should be able to create a gold loan. How can I stop it? The one way is this. Whichever choice he chooses, system will load vehicle loan only. Whether he select car loan and click next, vehicle loan page will load. Whether he clicks on gold loan and click next, vehicle loan form will load. Whether he chooses, right, education loan and click next, vehicle loan form only will load. First way, which I've just shown you. Whichever choice you select, system will load only one form. That's the first way. Second way, to remove these choices. How can I remove these choices? To remove this choice, you have to go back to your setup. You have to go back to your users. You have to click on profile. If you remember in profile, I left two things. Those who are turning the pages back can turn the page back and see that Rupam has left two things in the profile, page layout and record type. I scroll down because that time we didn't had a single record type. Rupam has left record type, right, during the profile creation. See, record type. Because all was blank. Now today we have a record type available. See, passenger record type, normal passenger default. I click on edit. Which profile am I? You see here the choices are available. You can remove the choices. For this particular profile, only one op. If there is only one, then it will load by default. It will not even show you the choice. Click new, directly the normal page will load. Right? For example, right, once again, I'm looking for a system administration profile. Which profile I am? System administrator. Perfect. Scroll down. I look for record type. I'm scrolling a little faster. That's okay. Oh, I've gone too much down. Record type. Here we go. I click on edit. I want only two choices, normal and walk-in. See, click save. What is the default? Default is normal? No, default is walk-in. Choice will go up. I click on save. Next time when I come and I refresh this, I shouldn't be able to see three choices. So you can control the choices also. You can control the choices. For vehicle loan, you can uncheck all the choices. When I click new, I should have only two choices. Now still it's showing three. Don't worry, it'll get deployed. It takes a little time for the deployment. We are doing everything. Finally, you will see that before end of the class, everything will get deployed. See, now you have only two choices. Two choices only. The third is gone. Like this, I can remove the choices. Suppose a personal loan guy, he is handling personal loan as well as gold loan. Then you can show him two forms. Vehicle loan guy, only vehicle loan. Then remove everything. Put only vehicle loan. See, multiple ways you can control this. Multiple ways you can control it. Now I click next. I have a registration fee available. Also, a field should also come. Registration fee checkbox. It has not yet come. See, my record type got deployed, but not my dependency pick list yet. Profile. Through a profile you can control. Through a profile you can control. Object manager. Right, scrolling down. Passenger. Page layout. Design 2. Did we drag and drop the checkbox? Yes. But it's still not available in the page layout. It'll take time. Okay. Meantime, let it come. I click on page layout assignment. Let me change the assignment also. All right. Whenever it's a system administrator, all right, I click on edit. Scroll down. Let me load for now design 1, design 1, because in design 1, we have the checkbox available. Design 1, design 1. I scroll down and I click on save. It will take time. Let it. We are not in a hurry to see at this moment what's the output. We know what we are expecting. Now, somebody changed the phone number. Somebody changed the email address. How can I track it? Yesterday only I saw the phone number was 777. I very well remember that for this particular passenger, I very well remember that yesterday the phone number was 777. Now I see that the phone number is changed to 999. For this passenger called Sachin Pilot, I remember that the phone number was, this is the phone number. I very well remember. But today I see it's 9999999. How do I know who changed it? How do I know who changed it? If I go by last modified by, let's say that last modified by Sachin, I will go and ask Sachin, hey Sachin, did you change the phone number? Sachin will say, hey, no man, I didn't touch the phone number. No, I see that you are the person who last modified. Yeah, I know that. I changed I changed the travel percentage from 70 to 85 in 98. I changed the travel percentage field. I didn't touch the mobile field. That is the reason the last modified by name is showing my name. But I didn't touch the mobile number. How will you catch who touched, who has changed it? System is showing last modified by. You can drag and drop a field called last modified by, created by. But created by me, I know. Modified by Sachin, but Sachin is denying that he didn't change the mobile number. On the table, I see last modified by Sachin. Sachin says he only changed phone number. Sorry, travel percentage. He didn't change anything else. Yeah, I remember I put a travel percentage 60, but now it's showing 98. But along with that, I also see that somebody has changed the mobile number. How will you track those changes? Fields and relationship, set tracking history. Here's the button, set tracking history. I click on it. Which are the fields you want to track? Mobile number, primary email, anything else? Whichever field you want to track. Remember that here, facilities, observation, and travel track changes only. It will not show you the value. It will say that somebody has changed. That's it. Who changed? Name will. What he changed, it will not be given. For these three fields, values will not be there, but you'll come to know that they have been changed. For example, I take facilities. Somebody changed facilities. What will happen? Three things I'm tracking. I click on save. Not yet over. You have enabled set tracking history. Now you have to come to the page layout. In which page layout you want to show that? I click on design one. Do you want to show this history in every page? No. I will show it in certain page which admin has an access or senior people has an access. Come to the related list here. Click on right passenger history and drag and drop wherever you want. Related list. See, I dragged and dropped. Second step. Right? Perfect. I click on save. Are you sure? Yes. Certain things I'm doing, guys, by the way. I just activated first thing. Step one, go to the fields and relationship. Click on set tracking history. Check the field whichever you want to track. Don't take all the field because if you take all the field, then the log size will increase. Your database size will go high. Only the important field. I've checked. I clicked on save. Now you have to go to the page layout. Wherever you want this tracking history to be displayed, open that page layout. You could have 5, 6, 7 layouts. Go to the related list, drag and drop the passenger history to the page and click save. Now let's go ahead and see all the output finally. I go to my passenger. I refresh. I refresh my screen. I click on new. I click on right normal passenger, click next. Perfect. Now you'll see checkbox check. You have only one option. Oh, not yet fully. I select economy. This should be controlling this. It'll done. See, economy, you get only two choices. I select business so that I get couple of choices. I don't get zero cancellation, destination change. As soon as I select exit business, I get all the choices: destination change, open ticket, zero cancellation, change destination. Right? See, now it got deployed. If you uncheck registration fee not paid, only economy, you cannot choose anything else. I select window. Now you check box. I select from economy to business. Is this field is a part of this? Yes. Suppose this field is not a part of this one, then it will be removed automatically. For example, I select special assistance. I select wheelchair. Later, I changed it to economy. System will remove everything. Whenever it's lower, system will remove everything. Whenever it's higher, system keeps on adding. I select meal. Next time I select business, meal will not go away. It'll keep, because in the business, meal is available. Suppose something is not there, then it will remove everything. While removal, it removes everything, but adding one by one. Excel sheet. Now I say business. See, in business, it is available, right? Excel sheet is available. I go to exec, then also it's not behaving. Now I select zero cancellation, which is a part of only exec. Now I click on business. See, all remove. While removal, it removes everything. While adding, it keeps on adding in an incremental fashion. That's the behavior. Second, right? What else we did? Right? We also went ahead and we activated what? Change. For example, I open Sachin. I go to the related. Passenger history. System has started recording from this time. Any data from today onwards, not in the past. Suppose somebody would have already changed it, you cannot capture it. Going forward only. Now I go ahead and change the mobile number from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. I'm tracking this as well as I'm tracking what? Email address. Sachin PP. Save. I changed it. Come here. See? Oh, mobile number only, no? Not phone number, sorry. Mobile number. I changed from 5 to 777. Save. See? System will be tracking everything now. Original value was 5. New value was 777. Original value was Sachin. New value was Sachin PP. What time? Who changed it? All these is now been tracked. What time and who changed it? All these are being tracked. Can I delete it? No, you cannot. See? So today we have seen record type. Today we have seen field dependency. Today we have seen tracking history. How can I track the data? Who has changed what? Username Rupam. Now here it will show Sehwag has changed the mobile number, not the Sachin. Wow, that's good. In real time, you can start tracking. Rupam, is it that for every table I have to enable it? Yes. You have to enable table by table. It not in a mass, you cannot. I want to enable for account. Yes, you can do that. I want to enable for contact. I want to enable for cases. You can. Can I create record type for account? That whenever, I will say that A grade account, B grade account, C grade account. When you click A grade, different form should load. When you click on B grade, different form should load. Can I do that? Yes. whatever you are able to do with your custom object, same thing you can do with your system objects. No problem at all. There is no differentiation. In customization, there is no differentiation. Can I create a dependency field there? Yes. Can I create another page layout and change it? Yes. Go to account, click on page layout, click on new page layout, create a new page layout and assign it. Next time when you go to the account, click new. The page layout, whichever you created, will get loaded, not what it came from the system. Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions?
Hi, Rupa. Uh, I have a
Sorry,
query on field dependency. Sorry.
I didn't got it. Once again, can you repeat that?
I have a query on field dependency.
Go ahead.
Yeah. First, you have given facilities as a child, child field. Let's take that. And in another field dependency, if we create facilities in the master field, will that be affected?
Now, in this case, right, facilities is a master as well as a child. It is a master as well as child, right? For the first field dependency, facilities was a child. For second field dependency, right, it was a master and the child was facilities.
Rupam, I think you're taking it wrong. Can you please go to field dependency once?
Sure, why not? Field dependency. Tell me.
See, in the first one, yeah, the class is the master and
Correct.
facilities is the dependent field. If I create new dependent field and give master as facilities and dependent field as
1 minute. Madam, can you please read the definition I gave you? Please, if you don't mind. Before you ask this question, first find out whether your question is genuine or not. In the definition I gave you, the master field has to be a checkbox or single pick list. Then how does your question comes as facilities? Facilities is a multi-pick list. How can it be a parent? Already in the definition I gave you that a master field or a field which is right controlling field. A controlling field can be single pick list or a checkbox. Then where is the question raising that facility is being master? Not possible. Your question itself is ruled out. Any question? Now? Right? Thank you. Next, anybody has any other questions? Anybody has any other questions related to today's class or related to any past class? If you have any questions,
Sir,
yes.
sir, actually, I have got a one doubt. Actually,
Go
when
ahead.
I am open my app, then I am able to see only passenger field only, but I am not able to see another fields like email, so and so are appearing here, no sir. But I am
Here,
able to
right?
see only passenger ID only. Yes, yes, sir. This
Correct.
only.
Correct. You have to go with a search layout, right? You might have missed that class then. In one of the
Search.
class, I showed you that you have to go to the search layout.
Okay, sir.
Then you have a default here where it's showing only passenger ID. Click on the default, click edit, whichever field you want, choose it.
Okay, sir.
You want facilities, choose that, click save. Next time when I come, I should be able to see facilities also coming here.
Okay, sir.
Refresh. Now I'll get a facility after registration fee. The next field will be facilities.
Yes, sir.
See, facilities automatically came. Priority
Yes.
check-in.
Okay,
So
sir.
you missed it. It's under search
Okay.
layout.
Yes. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Perfect.
Yeah, search layout and this from list view controls, we are controlling a field to display. Those are same,
No,
like
they are
set.
different. Search
Okay.
layout are the views when you click on certain areas. For example, whenever I click on tab view is this. Whenever I search a patient called Sachin, 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 and I press enter, system will say that, hey, I found Sachin in multiple places. I found as a user, I found Sachin as a Sachin at the rate OF, that is a people user. I found Sachin as a right as a see Sachin Tendulkar, senior consultant. It's a user. I found Sachin as a passenger. Here also you see that same are coming. Registration number, name, last name, mobile, class, registration, facility. These are called search layout. In Classic, they are different. In Classic, each of the layouts will show different. In Classic, when I click on the tab, it will show different fields. When I click on search, it will show only 3 fields. First name, last name, mobile number. When you click on global search, it will show 3, only 3. When you click on passenger tab, it will show you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fields it's showing. I'm talking about these headers. At different places, you can have different views. When somebody comes and click here, Sachin, local search, here also I'm able to see registration number, name, mobile, class. But in Classic, when you search here, it will show only first name, last name, 2 fields. When you click on tab, it will show you 7 fields. When you click on global search, it will show you 3 fields. You can have different. Right? That is the reason you have search layout for Classic. See, whenever somebody clicks on tab, it will show you this passenger registration number. Whenever you search something, then you have to go ahead and add the fields. Everywhere the same thing. Whenever somebody search, show me passenger first name, mobile number, and the Facebook link. This is while people searching it, right? Whenever somebody clicks on the tab, right? Whenever somebody clicks on the tab, go ahead and add those fields and click save. I'm not saving it. Click on edit. There also you have to choose. Click save. But whereas in Lightning, everywhere you'll get a same view. One time you configure, whether you search it, you get the same view. You click on tab, you get the same view. You click on local search, you get the same view. This is called as search. It has nothing to do with dependency pick list. It's a view. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any questions? So that's it for today. We will meet again tomorrow. Now you realize that if you miss one day class, what can happen? Because tomorrow's class today, those whoever has missed, tomorrow when they come, they would be able to see, whenever I click on new, they'll be able to see this choice. They don't know from where this choice came and how did the choice came. Right? So please do not bunk the classes. I told you these are your core works. You're actually paid the fees for these classes. So if you still effort to miss it, that's your choice. Tomorrow we will see furthermore. We will go ahead and check it out. How can I go ahead and have automated fields like formula field, right? How can I put a phone number validation? It has to be 10-digit phone number, right? 10-digit phone number. So all these we will check tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys. Tomorrow at morning 7 a.m. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
nice day.
Have a great day.